Raithneach a bheag Aurán Granver o Connemara, or Run Little Woman, a funny song from Connemara. This song is about, well, it's about cakes. I think a particular kind of potato cake called a steamer or a steampaí. I've never had one, but I've heard they're quite good. And in this song, there's all kinds of little funny stories about the cake, but the main action is that there's a little woman, or perhaps a teenage girl, who's made a cake and the man in the house doesn't like it. So she has to run to make it again. So the chorus goes, Raithneach a bheag, déanaimid, run little girl, make the cake. Raithneach a bheag, déanaimid arís, run little woman, make it again. So here goes. So from the beginning. Do chuireas le Barra na hÍne gearrchail steampaí gus cacaí. One more time. Do chuireas le Barra na hÍne gearrchail steampaí gus cacaí milse. Nuair a tháinig sé abhaile ní bhlaiseadh fartaí is Raithneach a bheag agus déanaimid arís. Raithneach a bheag Raithneach a bheag agus déanaimid Raithneach a bheag Raithneach a bheag agus déanaimid arís. Is an allí limanach a tháinig a steampaí, is híse gearrchail a chuireas lachter. Do bhí siúcra in an bulamach a brandy is bheag a hisin ba bhíar an ástálé. Raithneach a bheag Raithneach a bheag is déanaimid Raithneach a bheag Raithneach a bheag is déanaimid arís. Sé an tathir donnacha an dochtar díochta, an sagart is far a tháinig sa tír seo. Do chuir sé bhfuil luachtar le steampaí a scríoba le hagel in a fiacla na sin amhána chríochna. Raithneach a bheag Raithneach a bheag is déanaimid Raithneach a bheag Raithneach a bheag is déanaimid arís. Do chuireas mo chalín a steaca steamer ag gearrchail an steampaí a scríoba.